Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to bake without an oven in case you're a home baker or an upcoming baker and you don't know how to bake without an oven. In this video I will show you the key ingredients that you need to bake at home when you do not have an oven. You just need few things in this video, and here I will be showing you how to bake without an oven. So the first thing you need is a pot, a cooking pot like this. It might not really be like this, but just a cooking pot that will be enough for you. And you need a table gas burner, this type of burner, either this one or the regular one you can lay your hand on. This is what you need. And then you also need a salt. This is salt. You can use a bigger one. I didn't get the bigger one in the market, so this was the one I got, so I had to get this one. And I'll be using 2 of these. That will be enough for our baking. In case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button to like, share and comment, and to know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button. This is Annabee's Kitchen, a Port Harcourt based YouTuber and an upcoming bride. So I just thought to do a little video for you guys today. We'll be doing how to bake without an oven. I have my ingredients. We'll be making a chocolate cake. I have all my ingredients prepped already. So the key ingredients you need to bake at home without an oven is this burner and your pot and the salt. Just these 3 ingredients you can bake at home without an oven. Your ingredient access. So without wasting time, please let's dive right into today's video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do first is to preheat our gas cooker. We'll be making use of our gas. You can use the tabletop, you can use whatever method, you can use your stove to bake your cake. All right, in the olden days we usually use stove, sand, and you get a newspaper and wrap around this place so that while your cake is baking, the sand does not penetrate inside your cake and leaving your cake having sand while they are eating it. But this method is a new and a modern method, which is a salt method. You don't even need a stress. So you can use your stove, you can use your gas, you can use whatever thing you have. You can use you can't use firewood anyway. So what you need to do is you're going to cut the salt into this pot. You're going to pour it in. Pour this in because we're making a little quantity of cake, so we don't really need too much salt for this. This is serving as the sand. Yes, so we're going to shake it up and then just settle it in. So in case you're asking, you'll be wondering, won't the salt dry off? It won't. This salt can serve as much as you want to bake. All you need to do is just to refill it. Then after which I've settled it in, I'm going to take my burner. Oh, this burner is big. It's big, so it can't really enter my pot. Let me get a smaller burner for this. I've already have a table gas cooker. So all you need is just to sit this in here. This is where your cake pan will be sitting. Whatever inches you're doing, this is where it will be sitting. Okay, I'm going to show you guys on the rest of the video while we watch. So let's dive into the making of our cake process. And then I'm going to preheat this, and I'm going to reduce the cooker. I'm going to reduce the heat. All you need is this, and then while you're baking, the heat has to be reduced like so low so that it doesn't end up burning you. Turn on my gas, and then I'm going to reduce the flame to the lowest. So this is how it's going to be, and then I'll place this here and allow it to preheat, and I'm going to cover this pot. So this is my pan, this is my well greased pan that will be sitting like this. This is how it's going to sit. I don't know if you can see it properly. So this is how it's going to sit, and then we'll bake. So let's go into the process. All right, so I just have to take this out. So it will be heating. It's just like the way you preheat your oven. That is what I am doing right here. Okay. So this is it. I know this is going to take a long time to bake because I had to put all the batter in one. I'm supposed to divide it into two so it comes out nicely, but it's going to take about 45 to 50 minutes before this is ready. You get, so let's take it down to the fire and start baking, and then we'll see how the outcome comes. Our pot is well heated already, as you know, so I'm going to take this into this fire and allow it to sit. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to cover it and still reduce the heat again. So I'm going to cover this and reduce the heat more. It's very low, extremely low. So this is how it should be. I don't know if you can see, but it's very low. So this is about 35 minutes gone, and let's check our pot. Oh my. So this is a mistake you shouldn't make as a baker. Please always divide your batter into two. You get, so this is how it's going. This is what would happen if I had shared this batter into two. So please, when you're baking, always divide your batter into two. And because of this, it's going to take time before our cake gets properly cooked. You get, so this is how yummy it is. There's no difference. All you need is to reduce your heat, and you're going to get the consistency that you're actually looking for. So let's hold on a little bit so it can properly cook, because it's not ready yet. Right now it's not ready. So guys, our food is ready. See how it looks like. So I just realized that my skewer is finished, so I'll be using this spoon to check how ready our cake is looking. So you see, it's 100% ready. So I'm going to take this off from this pot. As you can see, the salt is still looking very fresh inside, so you can bake as much as you want with this quantity of salt with a low heat. The heat is still very down, it's still very low. As you can see, it has been like this. So guys, this is what the outcome of our cake looks like. Oops, this is so fluffy. Oh my word. You can have this with anything. So guys, in case you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more updates, and do well to try this out. This is almost looking the same thing as your oven. Very simple. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye, and see you guys in our next video. Okay.